Hi everyone, this is the complete PC optimization guide for the Silent Hill 2 game. I will show you guys the 14 important settings that you need to apply to optimize your PC for this game. So the first setting is set high performance power plan. So go to the Windows setup with the control panel, open it and just select the view bar to the large icons. Now here you will see the power option, just click on that. Then just click on the option of create a power plan. Then just select here the high performance. Then just click on the next, then just create it. Now once you created it, now the next important setting is turn off system configuration services. So go to the Windows search and just type here the system configurations and open it. Now here just click on the services on the top. Now here just check this box of hide all Microsoft services, then just click on the disable all. As you can see, I already stopped these all services, then just click on the apply to save the changes, then click on the OK. Now the next important setting is disable startup as from task manager. So make a right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, simply open it. Now here just click on the startup on the top and guys simply disable all of these. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or time usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these that are useless or unnecessary and disable these. Now the next important setting is clear all Windows cache. So go to the Windows search and just type here the disk cleanup and open it. Now here just select the C, then just click on the OK. Now here just check all of these boxes, which is the delivery optimization files and the temporary files or the other file. Then click on the OK, then just delete these. Then go to the Windows search and just type here the run and open it. Now here just type that time, then just click on the OK. Now it will take you to the folder where you can find all the cache file or the junk files on your PC. So just press the Ctrl A and right click and click on the delete. Now click on the continue and check this box of do this for all current items. So some files won't delete, so you can skip these files if these are not deleting. So just check this box, click on the skip. Now go to the Windows search again and just type it the run and open it. Now here just type the percentage and time percentage. Once you type it, then just click on the OK. Now it will take you to the folder where you can find the cache or junk files again. So just delete all of these. Now the next important setting is disable high precision event timer. So go to the Windows search and just type in the device manager and open it. Now here just scroll down and you will see the system devices and just look for the high precision event timer. Once you find it, make a right click on it and just disable this. As you can see the option of enable, because I already disabled this. Now the next important setting is close background apps and task manager. This is not very necessary, so we are skipping it. Now the next important setting is disable background apps from privacy settings. So go to the Windows search and just type here the privacy setting and open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down, click on the background app. Now here just uncheck this box, which is the background application. Now the next important setting is off notification setting from system setting. Now this is your decision. If you want to disable the notification, then go to the Windows search tab with the setting, open it, then just click on the system. Now on the left hand side, just click on the notification and just turn off this option of notification. Now the next important setting is off turn on fast startup. Go to the Windows search and just type with the control panel and open it. Now just click on the power option. Now just click on the choose what the power button do, then just click on the change. Now here just uncheck this box of turn on fast startup recommended. Uncheck this, then click on the save changes. Now the next setting is enable game mode. So go to the Windows search and just type with the game mode and it will appear on the top, so open it. Now here just make sure that this is on. This will close all the background application when you are on the game. Now the next setting is increase virtual memory. So go to the Windows search and just type with the view advanced system setting, open it. Now just click on the setting, then go to the advanced, then just click on the change option. Now here just select your C drive where your operating system is installed, then just click on the custom size, then go to the Windows search and just type with the calculator and simply open it. Now if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then just multiply it to the 1024, which is the constant value, and just type this value in the initial size and just multiply it to the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Now just click on the option of set. If you have the 32 GB of RAM, then just multiply it to the 1024 and just type this value in the initial size, multiply it with 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Once you've done that, then just click on the option of set, then click on the OK. Now just click on the apply, then click on the OK. Now click on the OK again. Now the next important setting is increase number of processors. So go to the Windows search and just type here the system configurations and open it. Now here click on the boot, then just click on the advanced option. Now here just select the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value selected, then click on the OK, then click on the apply, then click on the OK. Now the next important setting that you need to apply is core isolation. Just turn it off. So go to the Windows search and just type here the core isolation and open it. Now here you will see the memory integrity, so just turn it off. If this is on your PC, turn it off. Now the next important setting is graphic settings. So go to the Windows search and just type here the graphic setting and it will appear on the top, so open it. Now here you have to simply look for your game, then just click on it, click on the option, then just select it to the high performance. So to add the game, click on the browse option and here just select your game installation folder, then just select your game launcher. Then just click on that, then just click on the option, then just select it to the high performance. Now the additional setting is make sure your graphic card is updated to the latest version and make sure your Windows is also updated to the latest version. After all of this setting, simply restart your PC and launch the game, and this is how you can optimize your PC for this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.